We're running a heat pump training workshop on the 17th of July. The main focus of the day is around the guaranteeing of heat pump running costs up front. We know that a well-designed, well-installed ground source heat pump will cost somewhere around €2.50 per square metre per annum. We know that an equivalent well-designed, well-installed air source will cost somewhere around €3 per square metre. But it's hard to believe that a badly designed, badly installed heat pump can cost somewhere between €8 and €9 per square metre per annum or more. Ashgrove has about 20,000 heat pumps in the marketplace around Ireland and the UK. These range from the very small heat pumps of around 2 kilowatt up to extremely large heat pumps at 2,000 kilowatt. So we have a lot of expertise to share. The most important items then are calculating the eventual running costs of the system. How do we design it accordingly to maximize running costs? And then to make sure the distribution system, in other words, the distribution pipework and the pumps are big enough, maybe not too big. Very important is the emitter sizing. So the emitters is either radiators or the underfloor heating. Quite often this is a huge impact on the eventual running cost. We talk about, of course, the controls, that being weather compensation versus maybe thermostatic control. We talk about the heat curves and how to get the maximum efficiency from the heat pump. And then of course we talk about the setting up, the commissioning, the startup, and then over time, the balancing and fine tuning. It's very unlikely that at first touch that the plumber will get it 100% the day he finishes commissioning. So over the next 6 months, it needs to be fine tuned. Then of course we talk about owner operation. This is going to change now that we have dynamic electricity tariffs coming down the tracks at us. We're going to be turning off the heat pumps during the day or at peak periods, and maybe forcing the heat pump to run more by night, chasing very low electricity tariffs. Then we also talk about the heat pump common mistakes. What are the big banana skins or the frequent banana skins that we see and hear about, and how do we avoid them? So if you're a heat pump installer or a building professional who's interested in learning more about heat pumps, we'd be delighted to see you on the day. You can sign up on our website ashgrove.ie. You can look at the events section and you can sign up there. Equally, you can contact our office and we'll help you sign up. Importantly, the training is open to installers of all heat pumps. We will be running the training workshop on Mitsubishi equipment, but the principles are all transferable to any heat pump. And you don't need to buy heat pumps from Ashgrove. We're happy to have you. We look forward to seeing you on the day.